Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Valorant. So guys, watch till the end in order for you to completely uninstall it. So first, just simply go to the hidden icons on the bottom right corner. And after that, just simply select the Riot client and right click on it and just simply click on exit. Now after that guys, just simply go to your Valorant application and just simply right click on it. And just simply go for open file location, and after that just simply go for the Riot games over here. Just simply select the Valorant, right click on it and click on delete. And after that just simply go ahead and go for bottom left again and search for apps and features. And from here guys, just simply go for the Valorant over here. And now once you have find Valorant, just simply click on it and just simply click on uninstall and just simply click on uninstall over here. And from there you should be able to completely uninstall it. And now guys, another one is just simply go ahead and go to the bottom left again and just simply search for run. And now from here, click on this and search for the app data and click on OK. And from here, go for the local. And now once you are on the local, just simply go for the Riot and it will be on letter R. So this will be the Riot games. And from here, guys, just simply right click on the Valorant and click on delete and click on the recycle bin and just simply empty the recycle bin. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.